Hey, if you're checking out some different card tabletops like this one right here, I'd like to show you this particular one and some of the different features of it and what I think about it. You can see here, this particular one is an octagon shape. It does have a place for 8 different players to play. You have your slots here for your chips, as you can see laid out right around here, and different drink holders that you can see right back there. Fits a nice size can or even a glass or mug. It does have the nice green felt right here. It has the different place holders for the cards. This particular one does fold in half. And it even comes with a nice case that it goes in that you can carry it, made out of a nice canvas, very nice and durable. And it's got a pretty decent weight to it. It feels like maybe like a particle board or something in there, but it's not really flimsy and light and it's going to go sliding around. It's very nice and sturdy. So if you're looking for a nice card tabletop playing surface here, I hope this video helps you out. This one is very sturdy. It's got room for 8 people. It has the nice case that you can take it for traveling if you're going to be going over a buddy's house or something. It works out really good.